Hello student, now this is a new chapter, some basic concept of chemistry, and I'm going to discuss first mole concept, then after law of chemical combination. Okay, now already one video is based on the mole concept. Just check your WhatsApp and Google Classroom, and here I'm again explaining the mole concept. What is a mole? तो देखो, mole is a number. Mole is a number of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is known as Avogadro's number. This is known as Avogadro's number. Suppose 1 mole of oxygen atom, there is considered 1, 1, 1. So 1 mole of oxygen atom, it is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Suppose you have 1 mole of nitrogen molecules, there is an atom, there is a molecule. So 1 mole of nitrogen molecule is also equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And 1 mole of H2O molecule, this is also equals to, suppose you have 2 mole of oxygen, so just you multiply by 2 into 6.022. Suppose you have 3 mole of N2 molecules, so 3 into this. Suppose you have 5 moles of H2O, so there is a 5 into this. Clear? Now already in class 10 there is a formula of these mole concept. So there is a 3 formula. This 3 formula is based on the mole concept. So number of moles, there is a mass upon molecular mass. Mass upon molecular mass. Mass, suppose you have any type of atom or molecule, suppose 2 gram of nitrogen, है ना? So 2 gram is a mass, and the molecular mass nitrogen is what? 1 nitrogen is 14 and 2 is a 28. Okay. So now there is a first formula, number of moles is equals to mass upon molecular mass. There is a second formula, volume. Suppose the volume type of question is given, volume at STP divided by 22.4 liter. So 22.4 liter. Okay. Now the third formula, molecules given or atom given divided by Avogadro number. So just learn these 3 formulas. Now in the next page there is a numerical. So now the first numerical is based on the number of moles. So find number of moles present in number 1, 11.2 liter of N2 gas at STP. So you know liter is given. So which formula applies? Second formula. So now just check the second formula again, volume at STP divided by 22.4. So volume is what? 11.2. And the 22.4 divided by is 11.2 divided by 22.4, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 mole. Clear? Now same question, 16 gram of CH4 gas. So 16 gram, the first formula apply, mass upon molar mass. Mass is 16 and molar mass, carbon atomic mass is what? 12, and 4 hydrogen plus 4 it means 16. Okay, now the same for 12 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of O2 gas. So there is a third formula, 12 into 10 to the power 24 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So approximately 2, 6 to the 12, and there is a 23, just divide. So there is a 10 to the power 1. So 2 into 10 to the power 1 means 20 moles. Okay. Now the next is number of moles. The next formula, 49 gram of H2SO4. So this is again easy. So first you mass upon molar mass of this. So just you learn the molar mass of first 1 to 20 elements. Okay, clear? So you know very well. In your question, in your examination, atomic mass is given. Okay, so okay, clear? Now. There is again we have 12 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of O2. Find mass of O2 and volume of O2 at STP. So now there is a 2 type of question. The first, number of moles, molecules given, and Avogadro number. So just you find 20 moles. Okay. Now moles is there. So now again there is a find mass of O2 and volume of O2 at STP. Okay. So now the next is number of moles is equals to mass upon molar mass. So molar mass oxygen is what? 32. The number of moles is given. So now there is a mass divided by 32, to just cross multiply. The mass of O2 is 640 gram. Now again the third formula, number of moles is equals to volume upon 22.4. So number of moles is given 20, है ना, 20 into cross multiply, so there is a volume. This is a simple trick. Now again there is a question, so just you note down in question and solve with yourself. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, now the next topic is a stoichiometry. Okay, so now again this is based on the chemical reaction. So first you check if 16 gram of CH4 is burned in the presence of oxygen, find mass of O2 produced. So first you write down the equation, CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. This is based on the chemical reaction. Okay, and this is also known as combustion reaction, you know very well. So in this case 16 gram of CH4 is given and you find the CO2, है ना, mass of CO2. So just you check, there is a 1 mole of CH4 and 1 mole of CO2 again. Clear? 1 mole, 1 mole. Now number of moles is equals to mass upon molar mass. Mass is given and molar mass of CH4 is 16. So there is a 1 mole. Clear? Now again here is a 1 mole. So just again find number of moles is equals to mass upon molar mass. So you know moles is given. So 1 mole is given. 1 into 44. So mass is equals to what? 44 again. 44 gram. So now the find mass of CO2 is produced. The mass of CO2 is equals to 44 gram. This is very easy question. Now here again there is the next question. This is your homework. Just you note down in your notebook and solve. Okay. There is the same question, but you find volume of CO2. In the case of first question, find mass of CO2. Okay. So there is a lots of question. Again there is a one question. Just you note down and solve with yourself. There is again. Okay, and this is your homework. Okay, clear? Okay, now again here this is very important question. Find mass of CaO produced when 5.6 liter of NO2 is produced at HTP. So first you solve the chemical reaction. Calcium oxide produced in the presence when 5.6 liter of NO2 is produced at HTP. So find mass of CaO. So CaO is given. So how to produce CaO and NO2? When you heat calcium nitrate in high temperature. So देखो, just you check, this is conversion. Okay. Now in this case there is a 4 NO2. So 4 NO2 and moles liter is given. So just you note down the formula. Number of moles is equals to what? Volume of gas at STP. Yes, STP given 5.6 and divided by 22.4. So now there is a number of moles of 0.25. Okay. Now you find the mass of CaO. So there is a 4 mole. There is a 4 moles of NO2. Na? So 4 moles of NO2 is, there is a 4 mole, there is a 2. Na? So 4 moles of NO2 gives produce 2 mole CaO. Okay. So now here 1 mole of NO2, so this 2 divided by 4. Clear? Now there is a 0.25 mole, so 2 by 4 into 0.25, there is an answer 0.125. Okay. Now there is a mole. Now number of moles is equals to mass upon molar mass. So moles is what? You find the mass of CaO, na? So first you find the moles of CaO. The moles of CaO is what? No. Number of moles is given. Yeah. There is a 0.25 moles is given and there is a 0.25 moles of CaO. Clear? So number of moles is equals to mass upon molar mass. Clear? So number of moles is what? 0.125 and mass and molar mass of what? Mass of CaO. Calcium is 40 and oxygen is 16. So 40 plus 16 is 56. So there is a solution. Clear? Okay. Now there is a very small video. So just first you solve these numerical, then after my next topic is what? Percentage composition. So there is a percentage composition. Okay, so first you solve these questions, then after again I will send the next video. Okay, this is based on the percentage composition. Okay, clear student? Thank you.